everyone, my name is Lindy and welcome back to my channel, The Yellow Rose Craft Room. I am not in my craft room right now, I'm at my mom's and we have been getting stuff ready for Easter. Please excuse my messy hairdo. I've been working down at the hanger trying to get everything ready for tomorrow for family. But I am going to do an Easter craft for tomorrow. And I'm going to do an Easter centerpiece. And I saw this on YouTube and Pinterest, so I was like, you know what, I'm going to try to give it a go. So I'm going to stop the camera, turn it around, get everything situated, and then I'll be back to show you the supplies, and we will make this together. Be right back. Okay, everyone, I'm back. Okay, so what you're going to need is one of these little willow wreath forms. I got this at the Dollar Tree. Here is the tag. I've already taken the tag off. And then I went on ahead and I spray painted these. This is just one of those little rain dishes you get at the Dollar Tree. And one of these little candlesticks. I painted them white. I just thought it would be cuter. I have me some Crafter Square Spanish moss. I'm going to use this. And then I have a bunch of these little egg picks. I got the small ones and I got the big ones. I'm not really sure which ones I'm going to need yet. And then I have some foam eggs. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut off the little ribbons. Same with these. And I have my trusty glue sticks and my glue gun, which is behind me. You can't really see it, but it's there. Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is I'm going to have to glue. So I'm going to put some glue, hot glue, right here. And I'm going to hot glue this little dish right on top like that. So I'm going to do that, and I'll be right back. There we go. So this is what it's going to look like. You're just going to press it down for a few minutes. I put quite a bit of glue on top. I don't know if you can see when I turn it down. You can see all the glue hanging over. And that's okay because you're not going to see that anyway. I wish I could bring my hot glue gun over here, but I don't have a plug over here. So everything's going to have to be off camera. I'm so sorry. So there's that. So while that's drying, I am just going to open this Spanish moss and I'm just going to mess and play around with it and see what I think looks best. I was going to use Easter grass, but oh my goodness, it went everywhere. So I decided to use Easter grass, oh my gosh, I can't talk today. Easter grass on another project that I did this morning. What you're going to do is it comes like all together, you're just going to pull it apart. That's just what I'm doing. So what I'm going to do, I'm making a mess. It's going to look like a nest. That's kind of what the whole intent is. There's no way I'm going to use all this. I'm going to put this aside, pull it apart. And once you have it the way that you want it, the look you want, you just hot glue this baby down. So what I think I'm going to do is I'm going to take this over here once again and hot glue this down. And I will be back in just a second. I'm just putting hot glue straight on the plate. Need more hot glue. I'm glad I got the big hot glue at the Dollar General today because I was like, the little ones are going to last. What I did, I literally just put a whole bunch of glue on the white glass and I just mashed it down. just like so. So it's going to look like that. It's going to look all messy, it's supposed to. So what I'm going to do then, I'm going to take, I'm going to actually need a little bit more, I think. Yeah. It's going to look something like so. So what I'm going to do, let me think. Alright, I'm going to need more of this. Because this one is a little too big, see, it just kind of goes right through. So I'm going to put more on top to get this to stay. And another, gosh, this stuff goes everywhere. So be aware that this stuff goes everywhere. Let's see if that works. Oh yeah, that's better. Alright, so then I'm just going to put some more glue right here and put this on top. Alright. So I put some glue on, now I'm just going to shape it with my fingers. Try not to get burned because, you know, hot glue is hot. Whew, like I just did, I burnt myself. Okay, let's see if this will fit more nicely. Okay, now it's better. So what I'm going to do... I need to like right there. And I'll put some more on top, I think. Let's see. Yeah, I'm just playing. We'll see. Oh gosh. Look at this. Perfect. Alright. So I'm going to hot glue one more time, and then we'll put this little form on. Man, this is messy. Alright, so I got that on. Ooh, that's hot too. Okay. There we go. That looks better. So then this is going to be hot glued just kind of on top. It's going to look like this. It's going to be all piled everywhere, and it's okay. So once you put your eggs on here, it's all going to be mashed down anyway. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some glue just around, and then I'm real fast going to set this on top and push it together. I wish I could show you what I'm doing off camera. One more time, guys. Alright. It's going to look something like so. I literally just put glue all the way around and put this right on top. Looks like that. Whew, got glue all over me. Alright. So Now we're going to play with the eggs. That's my favorite part, the eggs. Sorry, I got glue all over me. It's all on my wedding ring, so well. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I might use these little egg picks. I'm going to take the little sticks off. I've been having luck. You just turn them and they just come off. Now, some of them don't do that, but some do. See, like this one's like hard one. There we go. You just turn them and they come off. Do that. See, there we go. I should have bought another pack of the small ones. So like this one's hard. There we go. I think these are so cute. For $1, you get 8. You could do so many crafty things with these. And I always save the sticks because when I do like floral arrangements, I use the sticks. So what you're going to do is you're going to do it in any order. So you just place them on like this, or you can put them all together, you know, like they have, you know, like at a bird's nest, you know how they're all together like that. Or you can spread them out either way you want. I have actually a bunny I want to put on here. Let me go get it. It's over here. It's out of this ceramic painting set at the Dollar Tree. I bought a whole bunch of these, the egg ones, and I think the kids are going to do them tomorrow. So they're not, you know, bored. Sorry about the noise. Alright, so here is what this little dude looks like. So cute. But I'm not going to paint him, but I am going to take this ribbon off. And this little string. I got my trusty scissors. I don't know if I can remove this little pin thing. I'm going to try without breaking him. There we go. He's got like a little staple that was, he's got a hole in his head. But I think I'm going to put him like right here. Hot glue him right here and put some eggs around him. I think that is so darling. Yes, just like that. That's what I'm going to do to mine. Alright, I'm going to put some hot glue on him and I'll be right back. Alright, all I did was just hot glue him down. Very cute. Alright, then I'm just going to take my eggs and I'm just going to place them in like just literally different spots. Hot glue them, put some hot glue on the side right here. Just gonna hold it down just to see it just like that. Same thing with this one. Just like so. Let's see, let's do green. I already need another glue. It goes so fast. Look how cute that is. So darling. Let's do purple egg. my hand. And yeah, see that? It's gonna blister. Oh, that's right in the crease. Oh, that's gonna be terrible. All right, moving on. Oh, sorry about. All right. Right there. My finger is already swollen. See, I don't know if you can see it. See all that white? Yep, that's where I just burnt myself. Alright, now we need, one more. Let's do pink. Alright, there we go. How cute is that? Isn't that cute? I might put one right there because there's a space. Sorry, it's really burning. Look. Oh, it's definitely gonna blister. Alright, moving on. Moving on. So sorry. Okay, so be careful, guys. Don't burn yourself. Because I just burned myself. Alright. And I might put one more pink right here. Is that the only colors I have left? Yeah. Alright. Sorry, it's like literally burning so bad. Okay, so there's that. How cute is that little Easter table decoration? So cute. And everything was purchased at the Dollar Tree. Total, this was like $6 craft. And this can last you a long time. You can sell these. You can make them for anything, for pretty much any holiday, really. But I just think that is so darling. So what I'm going to do, I was going to go on and trim this up right here, but I think I'm just going to leave it. Because, nests, there's something on me. Oh, it's more of that stuff. Okay, so, alright. How cute is that? So everyone enjoyed my little DIY Easter craft. I hope everyone has a great evening. I'm going to go put some medication on my finger because if you can see it, it is blistered. Look at that. It is blistered. So I'm going to go take care of my finger, put all this away, clean up my mess so her dogs do not get a hold of it. And I hope you can go to your Dollar Tree. I know Easter's tomorrow. It's late notice. But you can hopefully find this for yourself and make it for you next year. Hope everyone has a blessed evening and God bless you all.